Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. While you're here, please subscribe down below and also tap that bell so you can receive notifications every time I post a new video. So by the title, you already know today I'm going to be unboxing my July Ivy box. And before we get started, please, if you decide to make a purchase after watching this video, my referral code will be linked down below in the description box. So if you tap that code, it'll take you directly to the website to subscribe. All right, now let's get right into it. So this month's Ivy box came, again, this is July. This month when this box came, I went to the mail. I was kind of scared when I got my box. This box came like this is how my box came in the mail. So of course when I saw it, I was like, Lord. So yeah, that's how I received my box this morning. So immediately when I got home, I opened it. Usually I try to open it on camera, but since my box was greasy like that, I decided to open it just to check my items and make sure that they were okay. So I have seen the items in this box already. So the July box theme is really cute. So the theme for July was out of office. So they sent this cute card, and everything on the card is screaming vacation, fun, break, everything. So pretty much this month, well, last month, they are commanding you to put on the out of office and rest. And we all know, just being in this organization alone, that we do a lot of work. We do a lot of service. So now Ivy Storehouse has taken it upon themselves to tell us, girls, it's time to get some rest, okay? So I'm here for this. I am here for this card. What's in the box? We have a 20 Pearls beach bag, a pink and green sarong beach wrap cover, 20 Pearls, a stainless steel water bottle, and Sitting Pretty wide brim beach hat. So Ivy Storehouse, they always do a teaser, and the teaser that they did for this box was the water bottle. And when I saw the water bottle, I was like, you know what? I don't care about anything else in that box. I want that water bottle. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go in order. The first thing on the list is the 20 Pearls beach bag. So here is the bag, and it is cute, cute, cute. Let's open it. This is too cute. That is nice. Can always use bags, always. So it has AKA the ivy leaf on the front. Oh, and this is a 20 Pearls bag. So you know that's good. And it has a zipper. This is really nice. And it smells new. I love the smell of new. So inside the bag, it's lined in pink, and it has a side zipper here. Always can use extra storage zippers. Ooh, and it comes with this insert bag. Aw, with a zipper. This is like a little makeup cosmetic bag. That is so cute. That is too cute. And this hooks on and comes off like that. This can be worn as a clutch. At a real nice day party or something, I would use this as a nice little clutch to run some errands on the weekend. That is cute. So that goes with the bag. That is too cute. I like that. That is nice. And it's spacious. This can hold all your beach items. I think this is really come in handy, even if you're not at the beach. That's just cute. All right, Ivy Storehouse. Okay, so that is the beach bag. Next, the pink and green sarong beach wrap cover up. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. Now, when I saw, I've been seeing some of the sorors getting really creative with these, and I was like, how are they hooking up those sarongs like that? Like, some of them, I was thinking like they came made like that. Like, oh, it's so soft. Oh, this is soft. Y'all, this is so soft. I wonder what this material is. Look at that print. That is beautiful. Ooh, it is so soft, y'all. Like, OMG. Like, soft to the skin. It is really nice. I wonder what material this is. Oh, and it... Oh, that's a really nice size, too. Like, this is nice. This is really nice. And I have been seeing some nice hookups with this, too. Oh, that's cute. Let me stand up. I've been seeing really creative ways to wear this too. Like, this is really cute. Like, there have been some creative looks on this so far, but this is so soft. This is so soft, and I don't see a tag that tells you what kind of material this is, but it feels like, seems like it could be like a cotton linen blend. This is really nice, and it's very lightweight, so when you're on the beach walking, the wind, like from the shore, the breeze, you would just feel it right on you. Like, that is so nice. I like that. I'm gonna have to wear this to the pool, and I don't even know how to swim, but I'm gonna have to wear this to the pool. That is nice. So that is the beach wrap cover up. That is really cute. All right, the 20 Pearls stainless steel water bottle. This is what I was telling you all that they did the teaser with on Instagram. And I was like, ooh, I gotta have that bottle. So this is the water bottle. That is so cute. That is so cute. I have not used mine yet because I was waiting to do my video. But now that I'm done, I'm getting ready to put this. I really think I'm probably going to start taking this to work now and carrying my bottled water in this versus taking the bottles of water itself. And it is stainless steel. I've been reading reviews about how it keeps your items, well, it keeps your drinks cold for, I think I saw like 12 hours, up to 12 hours. I don't think I saw anything about keeping hot drinks hot, but this is perfect. So perfect. I love this here. So I will definitely be getting my use out of this one. Because I love stuff like this, like love it. And last thing we have is the Sitting Pretty Wide Brim Beach Hat. Now this I had to take out. I took this out of the box because when I received it, it was bent, like really tight, bent, and you could see the creases in the hat from how they had it folded in the box. So I wanted to try to bend the creases out, so I had it just sitting out for like the past week, but it still has the dents in it, like you can see the creasing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to get rid of that. I guess over time as I wear it, it'll go away. But that is the hat, and it says Sitting Pretty. That's so cute. And it has this green accessory piece that goes over. That is so cute. That is so, it won't fit over my big ear. It will not go over my head. I wonder how I'm gonna get this over my head when I have my hair out, if it won't even fit these braids on. What in the world? But that's it. That is it. this is something that I would also wear to like a nice little festival. I know we have Greek picnic coming up soon in this area, so this is something that I would really be using to block that sun while we're outside. That is cute. That is cute. Yeah. And this box, another step up. I was really satisfied with this box overall. I cannot complain. I love my water bottle. I love the bag. And I love the wrap. So yes, this box gets an A+. And I'm still getting asked questions a lot of times when I wear some of the items from the box. How does it work? Do you think it's worth it? Do you like the items every month? And I can honestly say, like, yes, like, you're not going to find these things at any local vendor store anywhere. Like, these items, I think, are one of a kind, and you're going to get your use out of it eventually, you know? And at first, like, with the jewelry, I was tripping because I'm like, oh, I like gold. But I still have been wearing the bracelets, the necklace, and it's really a cute, simple piece to add to an outfit. So you can't go wrong with anything in the Ivy box. Like, even if you don't like the box, you're going to at least get one item in there that you absolutely love or can wear with just about anything or whatever. So I think it's worth it. And every time people ask me, I let them know, yes. And I'm going to let you all know as well, just in case you're still considering it, this is how it works. So, how it works, subscribe at www.ivystorehouse.com with a recurring monthly plan by the 13th of the month. You can select a month-to-month, 3-month, or annual plan. Your Ivy box ships between the 25th and 30th of each month. There is no obligation to continue the subscription, and you can cancel at any time. And after your initial order, billing occurs automatically on the first of every month, so no need to resubscribe. So once you're in there, you are locked in, girl. They got you locked in. So yes, that is all for this month's video. Well, this is all for my video today of my July Ivy box. I hope you all liked this video. And if you all liked your Ivy box this month, tell me down below what your favorite item was. And if you are considering subscribing, don't forget that my referral code is linked down below. So again, if you tap that code, it'll take you directly to the website, and I will get credit as a referral for you. All right, thank you. And until next time, stay pretty. Bye.